This video will show you how to install the DD2000 drill drive kit on a Dutton-Lainson tongue jack that didn't initially come with it installed. Start by removing your jack's top cap. Depending on which model of jack you have, you can simply pry its cap off with a flatblade screwdriver, or you may have to use a Phillips screwdriver or T25 Torx bit to first remove the cap screw, then pull the cap off. Next, set a 3/16 or 5/32 inch roll pin punch on top of the roll pin inside of your jack's handle. On DLX square tube jacks, you can pound it out all the way from this position and remove it with a pair of needle nose pliers. If you have a jack with a round outer tube, turn the handle and punch to one side as far as you can, then use a hammer to pound the roll pin out as far as you can. Forcibly crank your jack's handle until the roll pin either breaks or becomes bent. If it broke, pound the second piece out of the handle and you can collect the two pieces with your pliers. If it bent, face it up and use your pliers to remove it from the handle. Pull the handle out of the jack's outer tube, tapping the end of it with your punch and hammer if needed. If there is a lot of grease or grime on the upper miter gear, it might be helpful for you to pull it out and wipe it down before installing the DD2000. Set the upper miter gear back against the handle bushing so its slot is facing up. Slide the DD2000 shaft through the hole in your jack's outer tube so its small hole lines up with the slot in the upper miter gear. Set the new roll pin in the slot and hole, then use your roll pin punch and hammer to pound it in until it's flush on both sides. Grab the round or square tube bracket so its angled sides are facing down. Then set it in place against the jack and DD2000. Insert a screw into the two holes in the front of the unit so they also go through the tube bracket. Then tighten a nut on the end of both screws with a 3/16 inch Allen key or hex bit. Reinstall your jack's top cap and the top cap screw if it has one. Press down on the top of the handle mechanism so it can be fully attached to its shaft. Then your tongue jack with the DD2000 installed on it can be used. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more DL step-by-step videos, visit our YouTube channel.